Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to create mind maps, concept maps of any online article you come across using ChatGPT. Right? It's a very simple way of creating mind maps that are auto-generated without your manual effort. Right? The one you are seeing here in front is a perception biased mind map that is created from an article available here, and it's completely created by AI, ChatGPT, not my manual effort of dragging and dropping and finding the right nodes or anything. Everything from finding the right nodes of every mind map point to creating them in a drawing form, in a visual form, is done by AI, and we'll learn how to do that. Right? For this, we will need some prerequisites. Right? We will need three prerequisites. So I'll put them down here just as a note. First prerequisite we will need is that Google Chrome extension that can provide you the interface to connect a website to a ChatGPT. Right? I am going to use a extension known as Merlin AI, but there are multiple such extensions that help to chat with a website and take the inputs of entire content from website and give it to ChatGPT for processing. Right? So number one we need is a Chrome extension, Merlin AI. Number two we need is that we need to know the prompt which is to be given to generate this entire mind map. Right? So number two we need is the prompt, the ChatGPT prompt that is required to produce this mind map. And number three is whatever the output that ChatGPT gives us in the form of the let's say coding or the textual input, then we have to put into a server of plantuml. Plantuml server, it's a free service that we will come across. So these are the three things we will need: Chrome extension, Merlin AI, or any another extension that helps to chat with a website. Number two, the prompt which will be required to create this mind map. And number three, the plantuml website server wherein you put the output of ChatGPT so that it turns into a visual representation of a mind map. I'll provide links to all of these, and I'll also paste down my prompt in the description, which you can copy and paste and benefit to yourself. Right? Let's start with a demonstration of the same. So here is the page. Right? We will continue to use this as a base page. Now let's first go to the Merlin AI. Yeah, this is the Merlin AI that we have to download from Chrome extension that we discussed, and I'll show you the prompt. Here is the prompt, how to turn any online article website into mind map using ChatGPT and plantuml. Right? I have created this prompt by multiple trial and errors. As you can see, there is a bigger version here. Right? It was then here some other features were added, and then final output we got was this. So I'll copy this prompt with me right now. Let it be in my clipboard. Now let's get back to the process. Right? So once you install this Merlin AI, when in first time if you install this, it will ask you to sign in. Once you sign in, you are ready to use it. Right? It has a paid version, but the free version allows you up to 100 queries a day. So that's enough for one day's article summarization. Right? So and then you have to do is that all you have to go to the article where you want to do the summarization. Let's say I want to do summarization of this. Right? So after Merlin AI installed, you will see a button like this. Right, on the right hand side, and it also says that it can be opened either by clicking like this, or you can do is press Ctrl M on your laptop or Command M on your MacBook. Right? Once you do it, it will ask you here at the home page that what you want to do. Right? So you have to click on chat with this web page. You have to go and chat with this web page. Right? And here it will give you let's chat. Right? So it is right now processing it. Once it is processed, it will say processing completed. See, web page processing completed. Now we can start chatting. So the prompt that we copied from there, we can paste it here, and then let me put it there, and then we can press enter. Right? So it will give you a textual input. See here, right, with asterisks and everything. So this asterisks and everything is the syntax. Syntax for the plantuml web server, which is helpful in creating the nodes and branches of mind map. So we have got the output. Let me just copy this output. Right? We click this copy button and we copy the output. And now we will go to plantuml. So plantuml, let's say you don't have a bookmark. Right? All you have to do is search on your internet plantuml like this. Right? Oh, okay, I already did, so let me just put it a Google search, plantuml, right? So it comes like this, plantuml.com, right? You go into the first website, plantuml.com. Here you get an option known as running. An option known as online server, right? Go to that online server option. Whatever the previous code be, Control A, copy it, and backspace, delete it, right? Now paste the code that you got from your output as ChatGPT's Merlin output, right? And then you press submit. Once you press the submit, your mind map is created. See, to give you a understanding of how it is done, it is basically done using an asterisk of hierarchy order. The single asterisk is like the first level node, 2 asterisk is the second level node, 3 asterisk is the third level node, like this. I'll make a separate video on how to use plantuml for the mind mapping. For now, this is how we can use them in an automation form. Here, many times it may happen that before start mind map or end mind map, some content will be there, then you just delete that content so that no error comes in the output. That are all the precautions to be taken care of, and this is how we create a mind map automatically using ChatGPT and plantuml without any manual efforts. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.